Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable the True Tone feature of your iPhone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable the True Tone feature of your iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on your phone settings, next, I want you to scroll down a little until you find this display and brightness option right here. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after that, I want you to scroll down once again, and then you will now be able to see the True Tone option right here, so you can now start enabling it. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, the True Tone feature of your iPhone will now be enabled just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.